The taxi's literally falling apart. Like, I got in and like part of the door fell off, the door frame just like fell off, and he was like, yeah, no problem, just come on in, close the door. No seat belts, obviously. Alright, I'm gonna go have some kip and hold on for dear life and hope this door doesn't fall off. Alright. Tell you what, I thought January is supposed to be dry season. If this is dry season, I don't know how they survive anything wetter. But it's so dark right now, I feel like I'm in England. It's like 3 o'clock in the afternoon. It's taken 3 hours to get here. So I'm really glad I got the taxi, because if I'd done the bus Colectivo to Santa Marta and then a bus here, the bus wouldn't even stop here. Because it's on this is basically on the motorway. So I don't actually know, I don't want to get here till dark. Good exercise too. Right, hear a speaker, hear voices. It's always good. Oh. Seems very busy. A lot of people around, a lot of people in the pool earlier. People were just chucking it out in the rain. I'm in a 12 bed dorm. I'm so glad I'm getting a private room tomorrow. It's been ages, and my own space. So I'll tuck into this, give you guys an update of it.
Like a really popular drink.
So the Lulo, native to the Andes. Have any other interesting facts for us about the Lulo, Jamie?
We usually eat it more in juices.
There's a lot of seeds in there.
Than just drink it like that. But we don't like it with lime.
She's hijacking the fruit talk. She knows more about the fruit.
So this one, the Lulo.
The next one is
Lulu.
Okay.
Try it. How did you try? Like with alone or?
A little bit bitter. What do you think?
I think with sugar will like compensate the bitterness.
It's really bitter.
If there is sugar, maybe.
Yeah,
good
sugar.
idea.
Yeah, sugar or tequila.
Lime.
And lime.
Next up, pineapple. Pineapple and salt.
Wow. So wanna try it?
Pineapple does slap here.
What do you think? Better with the salt or without?
Yeah. We're eating tomate de árbol, which is like tomato of the tree. This is not really the way we do it, but let's try it. Oh yeah, it looks like it.
I think she's better talking to the camera than I am. Great. Alright, tomato off the tree. Here we
If
go.
anyone is a really big fan, there is another one here. You can take it home with you if you'd like. What do you think of the tomato?
Yeah, it's alright. Yeah.
I was expecting it to be a lot stronger. Is it pretty light?
You add lime, yeah?
Yeah, put lime.
Okay. Oh, lime.
Ah, yeah.
Lower one. That one and the pineapple. Good.
Yeah, this one very sweet.
I know, I can't believe
This is like the fruit you will eat in the morning.
Oh, this is well nice. That's the first papaya I've had that I like.
Yeah.
It's a full-on storm out here. Like, there's been lightning all night. See? Been chucking it down with rain the whole time I've been here. So the rain was coming in sideways earlier. Apparently there's a river that's like flooded nearby. Also, like, I think I'm not going to the national park because obviously I'd come here with the intention to do Tayrona, but it looks as if it looks as if it's not happening because I spoke to a German lady earlier who camped over there last night, and she said like it's just knee-deep mud everywhere, and it'll be horrible in the rain. And I'm inclined to agree because my ankle couldn't cope with hiking the waterfalls up in Minca, let alone trying to get through knee-high mud in a national park, and it doesn't seem like there's any sign of the rain stopping, so I think I'm going to be holed up here for a bit. The power's gone out like 5 times since I've been here as well. I've only been here like a few hours. All fun and games. All fun and games. These guys are chiefing me out with Colombian rules. Uno.
I didn't make that. He's too slow to say you.
Since when? Since when do you need to say... No, since when can someone else say Uno before you and then you have to pick up a card? That's not a thing.
Because at the moment you put the card, you have to scream Uno.
No, but it doesn't mean someone else can jump in and say Uno.
Well, yeah, it does. Actually.
No, that's not a thing.
She is really concentrating.
She's concentrating on cheating me, making up new rules. I was close to winning that game 7 times. 7 times. I won 7 times. I should have won that game. I'm gonna let them cheat me on one more game before I go to bed. I'm happy. I've got my own room. So we're 16 days in. I've only had my own room once, I think. So yeah, it's been a long slog of dorms. Obviously, I wanted to go to Tayrona National Park. It's actually open, but it's flooded. So like loads of people that have been said that it's like not worth going because you got mud up to your knees and all that kind of stuff. So it's not very enjoyable. Just been sitting around the hostel really. I'm getting a bit restless because I want to like do something. I can't. So I was going to go to Rio, meet some friends there, and stay there tomorrow. But there are all these reports coming. I've got saying that it's all flooded. So my plans for the next couple of days are a little bit in the air. All right, update in a bit. I'm moving my stuff. So I'm literally in the dorm. It's opposite from there. So my move is quite easy. As you're going to see. Got my bags. Out we go. Easiest move ever. Across the road to Liberty. Hola chicos. Alright, so it's happy hour up in the old bar, and I've got my little pal here. Yay! She got here from Rio, flooded Rio, and we're now enjoying super happy hour drinks. No, we're just piling them up with like absolute At the hostel today, we've got family dinner, and yesterday it was like chicken and salad, which is pretty good. Today's dinner doesn't make any sense to me. Rice and chips. Gonna eat the rest of this. The good thing though is this.
I have to.
I've never seen this before. But this is
Have you already been?
I've heard of it.
very good.
Did you go to the
Still at Journey Hostel. I haven't quite worked out what we're gonna do. The girls
Right, no, okay, I get
There's a
the
thing.
idea. Ready?
I've got no idea what's going on. This is the content I've been missing out on. Yeah. The second bottle of wine over in the Journey Hostel bar. Hey, don't say hello. So, this is the front line of NATO over here.
But like 3 times removed. I'm 3rd gen. So
It's not front line of NATO.
I'm the 3rd line of NATO.
She's the 3rd line of NATO.
Someone has to be there. I did
I
not.
thought you was from Finland.
I said Canada.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What line of NATO? What line of NATO are you?
I didn't know. I feel so tired.
I don't feel as secure as I did earlier because there's no frontline members of NATO here. Still no sign of us getting closer to Boyataka. We are in wait. We've been told that there's no taxis, and so we tried to get motorbike taxis. Then we were told that there's no motorbike taxis either, so we got another bottle of red wine. But now apparently there's a taxi that was gonna take us across the flooding river. What? I don't know why she's laughing. But
It's quite humorous actually.
we're still gonna try and get there.
Should we actually?
Well, she comes back and says, what do you reckon our chances of getting there is?
25%.
25.
Yeah.
25. We're going with 25 at the moment. I'm the hopeless optimistic, so I reckon we are in a 56% chance at the moment. 56, not even 50. I reckon we're more likely.
15 minutes.
Okay.
The reception. I'll give you the taxi number. I'll give you the taxi number so you can
Gracia.
how cool I am.
Wow.
She's amazing.
How did you pull it? Do you reckon they'll struggle to get back?
Oh, hola chicos. It's the morning after and I feel like crap. I've had breakfast though. I've had breakfast, 2 coffees, but I feel like throwing up. This is a very nice place to be in this state. So the plan is chill by the pool until I regain some kind of mental capacity. And I'm gonna need to check into a new hostel today. This is going to be a hard move day. It's a hard travel day. It's really not in the mood. It needs must. Alright. Hola chicos. So, left Journey Hostel, which I'm sad about because I really like that hostel. And we've just landed at Viajero Tayrona, which I booked a few hours ago. I'm gonna be here for 2 nights. According to the map, it kind of looks like a bit of a theme park. I didn't really read any reviews because I was still drunk at the breakfast table. I thought it was a normal hostel, but it looks like the little huts. Gonna find the pool or the beach. I think it'll be a slow day today. This will go some way to help him repair damage caused yesterday. Ooh. This is good. This is really good. Just need some rum. She's laughing.
You already started this morning, so just keep it going.
A lot of people at the hostel, never seen anyone drink rum at 10 o'clock in the morning. No, 11. After this, having some chicken, gonna have a nap. No, going to the pool, have a nap in the pool. And guys, you're not gonna believe it, I found a gym. I'm so hyped. Well, I will be hyped after a nap. I'm definitely getting into the gym. Some jungle gym antics. Cannot wait. Exciting. It makes loads of difference. My glass is empty, so it makes loads of difference. So I'm venting about the service in Colombia is ridiculous. I do not understand why it takes so long. You order like anything, a bottle of wine. It's the easiest thing to get. You have to pour anything. You don't have to like mix anything. You don't have to get ice. Literally, you grab it off the shelf and you put it on the table with 3 glasses. I still haven't seen the geezer for like half an hour. Why is she bringing out water or wine? And that is it. Sorry I couldn't show you more of Tayrona, but we had the weather to blame. Please check out some of the other episodes from the Colombia travel series and see you in the next video.